Today we will be talking about finding the least common multiple. The problem I'm looking at is 3 and 4. In order to find the least common multiple, we begin by writing out a few of the multiples of each number, beginning with 1. So let's look at our 3's. 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. And now I will write out a few of my 4's. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 4 times 3 is 12. Now when I'm looking for my least common multiple, what I'm really looking for is the first number that both sets have in common. So if I look at my 3's, I see 3, 6, 9. In the 4's, I see 4, 8, and 12. So far, they have no number in common. So let's write out a few more multiples. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5 is 15. And now if I look at my sets, the first answer that both numbers have in common is the number 12. And so my least common multiple is 12. Let's try another problem. Let's look at the numbers 12 and 15. If I want to find the least common multiple for 12 and 15, I must write out the first few multiples of each number. 12 times 1 is 12. 12 times 2 is 24. 12 times 3 is 36. Now remember, you don't have to write out them all, just write out a few at a time. Let's look at our 15's. 15 times 1 is 15. 15 times 2 is 30. 15 times 3 is 45. And when I look at the answers, 12, 24, 36, 15, 30, 45, I'm looking for the first answer that they have in common. Well, so far they have nothing in common, so let's try a few more. 12 times 4 is 48. 12 times 5 is 60. And let's try a couple of 15's. 15 times 4 is 60. And now I see that they have an answer of 60 in common. So my least common multiple is 60.